Please welcome the chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, Queen Ket Marquetta L. Goodwin.
This your star so long, crying, Lord, Lord, give we more time for prayer. I've been in this your storm so long. Oh, this your hard needed time. Oh, this your hard needed time. Crying, Lord, Lord, give we more time for prayer. I've been in this your storm so long. Hanya, Louisa Day, and the islands of the Atlantic, and Jacksonville, North Carolina, Jacksonville, Florida. Great God, plenty of time when we were going to the shoreline. I don't know how the Yeti people say away in the water, my trouble. The water. But this just, in a way, hold on, go and stay. That's when that water ain't taking a claim. The storm that did it. And the sea rise. How they can't go, Triple E. Say, I have to go in some other way. But you don't know what. And Buster Professor know how to do that. Yeah. They sent for me for come to the mainland. And they told me, when you get there, they want to take ambition to the next level. But I know that on my islands there's no such word. So I wanted to make sure it wasn't layered in all these things that have been covering up our cultural heritage in the discussion of climate change. So I said, well, these mainlanders use this thing they call a dictionary. So I'm gonna look up their word. And it said ambition was having or showing the ability to succeed. Having it don't mean you're showing it. So I said, well, that's a key thing. Because if we're gonna change the world to be the climate in which we're willing and able to succeed together, to show all the cultures of the world what it is that our cultural heritage has that we need to treasure, even in the midst of this storm of confusion and misinformation that the climate is not changing and climate change is not real. I am telling you, it is time that we need to grind back to whole landmark like we do on the island. And then maybe if you can't see and you can't hear, maybe you can feel and you'll know it's real. And as I said in Gullah, but some of you may not have understood or overstood what I had to say. When waters keep rising, you can't call AAA. But then God spoke to me as I prayed for my family on the Sea Islands in the midst of the eye of the storm. And God said, today you're going to need some people to actually step up and rise up with you. Because this is a new day, and you are going to open the way to a new AAA. And for all of you who are willing to join this AAA with me, I want you to follow me at GullahGeecheeNation.com and at Gullah Geechee, GullahGeechee on Twitter. And this is what you have to do if you're in this room today or around the world watching us. if you're willing to be part of those who are ambitiously activating action to change the climate and uplift the world, let us rise up together. Stand up today if you are willing to be a member of the new AAA. And then we will have shown the world that we weren't just here, as we say, dry, long soul, but we are here to work together until the climate changes and all of this ignorance about what its existence really is has to go. Stand up, be ambitious. This is a new day. Start the new AAA.